Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe will be how to make chickpeas, how to cook chickpeas. It's a very easy recipe and lots of people enjoy it in Pakistan, oftentimes in breakfast as well. It's very easy to make. So for the ingredients you will need 2 cans of chickpeas. So each can is 400 gram. Both cans empty and wash. Then from the masalas you will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of haldi, and 1 large spoon of Chana masala. You'll also need half of small cup of oil, 1 large onion chopped or 2 medium, 1 large spoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 to 3 tomatoes chopped, and 1 green chili. So first we're gonna heat up the oil. Next we're gonna add onion, chopped onion. And as the onions became transparent, I added the large spoon of garlic and ginger paste, and mix it and let it all cook to golden color. And now the color has changed. I'm going to add tomatoes, a little bit of water, and medium fire and cover it to let it soften the tomatoes. Little bit of water is added, covering, and fire low to medium. So it's not burning, but it's softening tomatoes, so it will be more easy to remove the skin. Now as I open the lid to check, I can see that tomatoes have softened enough that it will be easy to remove the skins. And once you remove the skins, then let the tomatoes completely soften. Put the lid back on at small fire, and you can mix it up before you do that, just so that all becomes even consistency. And now that the tomatoes have completely disintegrated and became all same, you can see that the oil is coming on top. Now it's time to add all the masalas. Give it a mix and give it about a minute. After that you can add the chickpeas. Give it a mix and then add 1 large glass of water. See how is the consistency. I might add a little bit more. I added about half a glass more, so basically 1.5 of a glass of water. Waited for the chickpeas to start to bubble, and then cover it to cook on medium fire. And after about 15 minutes, remove the lid and add the green chili. So then you can cover and let it cook further on until the chickpeas are soft. You can check that. So for the end period time, I left it cooked without the lid so I can reduce the excessive liquid. Check the chickpeas are soft, and when you're happy with the consistency, some people don't like it to be too thick. This is the consistency we like. We're gonna switch it off, and the food is ready. So now the chickpeas are ready to be served, and as I said, it's a very simple dish. You can enjoy it with naan, paratha or roti, and also have some sides, for example fully boiled eggs. Yeah, a full description of the recipe will be in YouTube description or in comments. There will be link. So please subscribe, enjoy, and follow for more. Thank you.